Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to choose profile picture on YouTube Kids. But first, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. At the top left corner you can see the current profile picture. Tap on it. Tap on Edit. And at the bottom section you can see the profile pictures. And you can choose one from here. You can swipe right or left. Tap on the picture you want to add. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!